Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject Maths. Today I am going to teach you Roman numerals. In previous class in 5th standard we have learnt Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a number system that originated in ancient Rome. Numbers in this system are represented by combination of letters from the Latin alphabets. Hindu-Arabic system used 0 to 9 digits. Roman numeral system used 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Roman numerals are formed by using the 7 symbols. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. These 7 basic symbols are used to write the Roman numerals. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system, and also it does not use the concept of place value. These days, the letter K is used as a symbol for 1000. 2K, 2000. Second chart, see, larger numerals were formed by placing a stroke above the symbol. This made the number 1000 times as large. V stands for 5. V bar stands for 5000. X stands for 10. X bar stands for 10,000. L stands for 50. L bar stands for 50,000. C stands for 100. C bar stands for 100,000. D stands for 500. D bar stands for 500,000. M stands for 1000 and M bar stands for 1000,000. Students, when it is larger numbers, we show them bar. V bar means 5000. This upside of V, the dash is here, the dash is called bar. Understood, students? Now see this. Now see the Roman numerals forming numbers, the rules. The first rule is repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral means addition, and the same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. The Roman numeral, in Roman numeral, symbol are not repeated more than 3 times. First one, I wrote I, and third one I. Now after this Roman numeral symbol is repeated only 3 times. We can't write I. This is wrong. We write only the symbol is repeated only 3 times. Which symbols are repeated in repeated only? Which symbols are repeated? See here. I, X, C, M. These four symbols are only repeated. In Roman numerals, I, X, C, M. These four Roman number repeated only. I, X, C, M. These symbols repeated only 3 times. And V, L, D are never repeated. V, L and D are never repeated. Now next one. When a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is addition. See, VI, V plus I equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. LXX equal to L plus X equal to 50 plus 10 means 70. But if the symbol appears before a larger symbol, it is subtracted. IV equal to V minus I. The larger symbol is V and smaller symbol I write in a before. That's why V minus I, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. IX, X minus I equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Listen here. I could only appear before V or X. The symbol I appear only V and X. IV and IX. X could only appear before L and C, means XL and XC. C could appear before D and M, means CD and CM. C could appear before D and M. X could appear before L and C, and I appear before V and X. Understood, students? Addition and subtraction. When a symbols are repeated more than 3 times means addition. Repetition means addition. And when a symbol appears after a large symbol means it is addition. And the symbol appears before a larger number, it is subtraction. Chart of Roman numerals. Now look at this chart and we learn this chart. You learn this chart means any Roman numerals we can write. See here. I stands for 1, 2, I, 3, I. Here 10x, 20xx, 30xxx, 100c, 200cc, 300c plus c plus c, 1000m, 2000mm, 3000mm. Means what is the first rule? The first rule is the same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Means the symbol is repeated only 3 times. In Roman numerals, symbol is repeated only 3 times. Which symbols? I, X, C, M. These 4 symbols only repeated 3 times. these symbols are only repeated. I, X, C, M, these symbols are only repeated. And this phi, L, B, L, D is never repeated. This symbol is never. These symbols are never repeated. Now see. IV, IV, what is the rule? When a symbol is appeared after a large symbol, it is addition, and a symbol is appeared before a large number, what is it? What it is? Subtraction. IV, V minus I means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. XL, $50 minus 10, L minus X means 40. 400, CD, 5D minus C, 500 minus 100 equal to 400. So, large symbol before we appear a symbol, it is subtraction. 6, V plus I, VI. When large symbol appear a small symbol means addition. A smaller numeral appearing to the right larger numeral, it is addition. VI, LX, DC, VI 5 plus 1, LX 50 plus 10, DC 500 plus 100. And repetition means addition. And how many times repeated only symbols? 3 times. 7 VII, 70 LXX, 700 DCC, 8 VIII, 80 LXXX, 800 DCCC. IXCM are only repeated. V bar M. IX, IX 9, XC 90, 100 minus 10, 900, 1000 minus 100, 10x, 100c and 1000m. We know that this rule. Now this yellow color chart see here, 1000m. Thousand m, 2000 mm, 3000 mm, 4000 mv bar or IV bar, 5000 V bar, 6000 V bar M or VI bar, 7000 V bar MM or VII bar, 8000 V bar MM or VII bar. VII bar. VII bar. And V bar MMM. MX bar 9,000, 10,000 minus 1,000 MX bar, and 10,000 X bar. 10,000 X bar. Students, learn this chart, then you write any Roman numerals. See here now, Roman numerals. In Hindu Arabic, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. Like that, 10 plus 9, 19, and then we write 20. Means we write this Hindu Arabic 1 to 9 in every last number, means 10. About 10 we will write 1 to 9 these numbers, means 11, 12. Now 21 to 30 means 29. 1 to 9 we write same number in every table. Is like Roman numeral also we write I, 1, I, 1, I, 2, I, 3, I, 4, IV, 5, V, 6, VI, 7, VII, 8, VII, 9, IX, and 10X, 11, XI, we write XI, 12, XII, 13, XIII, 14, 10 plus 4, XIV, 15, 10 plus 5, XV, 16, 10 plus 6, X plus VI, 17, 10 plus VII, 18, 10 plus 8, 10 plus VIII, X plus VIII, 19, 10 plus 9, X plus IX, and 20, XX. Now next one we write 21. 21 we write XXI. 22, what we write? XXII. 23 we will write XXIII. 24, XXIV, 20 plus 4. 25, XXV, 20 plus 5. 26, XXVI, 20 plus 6. 27, XXVII, 28, XXVII, 20 plus 8. 29, XXIX, and 30, XXX. So students, like that you can write any number. So 51, we can write 51. 51, 50 means L. LI, 51. LII, 52. LIII, 53. LIV, 54. LV, 55. LVI, 56. LVII, 57. 58. LVIII, 59. LIX, and 60. LX. Can you understand, students, how to write the numbers? LXX, 70. LXXX, 80. Then we will write 90. 90 means XC. XC, how to write then we? XCI, XCII, 92. XCII, 93 is like that. We write up to 100. So I want to write 101. 100 ones. 100 plus 1, CI. 102. 100 plus 2, CII. 103, CIII, 100 plus 3. 104, 100 plus 4, CIV. 105, CV. 106, CVI. 107, CVII. 108, CVIII. 109, CIX. And 110, CX. CX. Understood, students, how to write that? Like we can write 101 to 1000, but we know that C means 100, CC means 200, CCC means 300, C 400 CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 DCCC, 900 CM and 1000 M. You learn this, then 101 to 1000 you can write. Next one, C. How to write the Roman numerals in C. 309. Ones, tens, 100. 300 plus 9. 300 is what? CCC. 9 IX. 0 is no symbol or in Roman system. 412. Ones, tens, 100. 400 CD. 12 X 10 plus 2. 560. 500 ones, tens, 100. 500 Ds. 60 LX. 345 ones, tens, 100. 300 CCC. 40 XL. 5V. Ones, tens, 100. 500 D. 50 L. 5V. DL. Now we write ones, tens, 100, 1000. 3000. 3000 means M. 400 CD. 50 L. And VI. 6. 4009. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4000 MV bar 9 IX, or 4000 means IV bar IX. 5000 5690 ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5690. 5000 V bar. 600 DC. 90 XC. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 23,456. 20,000 X bar. 3 I 23 bar 1000. 400 CD. 56 LVI. XX bar I means 23,000. Now 56,789. 56,000. LVI. 56,789. 700. DCC. 80. LXX. 9. IX. Now next one we will write. Write in Hindu Arabic numerals. Now we write here Hindu Arabic numerals. DXXVII. D means 500 plus XX20 plus 7, 527. C plus C, 300 plus XL means 40, 340. CDLXXIX. CD means 400. LXX means 70 plus IX 9, 479. DCCXX. DCC, what it is? 800 plus XX 20 is equal to 820. C bar XX bar CDI means 1. C bar means 100,000. 100,000 means 1 lakh. 20,000. XS bar means 20,000. CD means 421. XI bar CCLV. XI bar means 11,255. Understood, students, how to write these numbers? Today, what we learn? Roman numerals. Roman numerals are 7 basic symbols to write any numerals. Some rules are in a Roman numeral. First rule is symbol is repeated only 3 times. Which symbols are repeated? I, X, C, M. V, L, D never repeated. Second rule, subtraction. A smaller numeral appearing to the left of a larger numeral is always subtraction from the larger numeral. Means IV, IX. I could only appear before V and X. X could only appear before L or C, XL or XC. C could appear before D or M, CD or CM. In addition, VI, V plus I. A smaller numeral appearing to the right of a larger numeral is always addition. VI, 5 plus 1, 6. VII, 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Is like that. So students, I hope you understood. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.